Alright, we got the 6 o'clock weather report at looks like 5 o'clock today. So you can see those terribly dark clouds just went over. You never know, those planes fly every day. If there is a cerveza virus or a beer virus, they could be delivering it that way. But as we've seen, there's no slowdown in the police department and the sheriff's writing tickets. Now, if you can see, we got beautiful sky, a little bit of sun, plenty of clouds. But hopefully that's showing up as pretty as it is. What a contrast. Beautiful and sunny, dark and gloomy. I want to encourage all you people out there, call down to City Hall or call to the mayor and find out, or you could call to Judicial District 3 and ask them, if we're so worried about spreading the coronavirus, I had a senior citizen in the police car, which I'm glad to see an older person in a cop uniform, but handing the plastic ticket book back and forth through the window. A senior, no less. Somebody that's probably very susceptible to that virus or could be carrying it, and he's pulling people over, giving traffic citations. Like we said the other night, I don't see any slowdown there, so obviously the police aren't too scared about spreading the virus. So anyhow, just a nice little look. Fall in love with Gravity Falls, the real Reedsport, Oregon. See if you can even get a hold of anybody at City Hall. Can't seem to get a return call from anybody down there. Madam Mayor, who's running our town? You guys are all hiding down there in the retirement area, down in the mobile home park. Why are none of you at the City Hall where you can be reached, where you can be complained to? Yeah, you guys are real acceptable. I think it's getting time for all you guys to step down, because you're certainly not running this town. I can't quite tell who's running this town. Maybe it's the new chief of police seems to be running the town. Matter of fact, that reminds me, talking about forced immunizations in court, I was in Judicial District 3 seeing Mr. Smart and his wife, the Dare Resource Officer, well, he was, attacking a client and a friend of mine whose doctor's excuse said, no, we're not going to give these kids any more vaccines. They already almost died once. Well, 9 months ago, Officer Smart was in Judicial District 3 along with his wife, attacking a young lady and trying to have her thrown in jail because she refused to immunize her kids, which was already an agreement between the school district and her and her doctor years previously. What makes Matt Smart and his wife think they can force people into getting immunizations? Why don't you two line up first? Anyhow, light and love, I agree with free choice. They won't let your kids go back to school without an immunization, pull them out of school. Matter of fact, it's about time to set up a homeschooling thing here, just so you cannot have a resource officer around your kids. Resource officer, what kind of resources are they mining at the school? Trying to force people into the un-American way of getting shots that are bad for their kids. Way to go, Chief Smart and Chief Smart's wife. You guys know so much. You ought to have the right to tell other parents what to do with their kids. Just another Ferdinand and Milda Marcos, just like we got rid of with the chief of, or the city manager and his wife, Milda Marcos. I guess Officer Smart and his wife think they're going to step up and be the new dictators of Reedsport. Sorry, guys. Light and love. I really care about all you guys out there, and let's get together and take back our town.